Welcome. Good morning. Welcome to Achyuta Academy for Zoology. Myself, this is Dr. Achaya Nalamada. In this video, I will be discussing some of the aspects pertaining to APPSC JLDL Zoology Notification 2024. Well, teaching is a noble profession, especially when it comes to teaching at higher levels like platforms like universities and degree colleges. It is a more glamorous one. So that is the pinnacle of the teaching post. Everyone aspires. This is a coveted post. So in order to succeed in this examination, you must prepare in a quality and quantitative manner. So one must gain clarity on every concept. The reason is there is a provision for negative marking. For every 1 mark, 1/3 negative marking is there. So every question, when it comes to content, 2 marks were awarded for every question. Therefore, 0.6. So for every one attempt, you will be penalized, you will be rewarded 0.6 marks. So therefore, you must be cautious. Before starting preparation, first go through some previous questions, whatever the entrance examinations, whether it is of JL, DL, or CSIR, of related to zoology topics. Because in view of the huge competition, we have to expect questions from higher order also because the standard is at a PG standard. Therefore, question paper may include multiple choice questions, assertion reasoning type of questions, or matching type of questions. So, therefore, preparation must be at the required standard level. So, this syllabus itself is having 11 units: general concepts, non-core data, core data, cell biology, genetics, systems and cell physiology, ecology, evolution, developmental biology, histology, and immunology. So totally there are 11 units. Immunology, yes, even histology. Histology, general concepts, core data, non-core data, ecology, and evolution. These are classical concepts. Of course, evolution is also having modern flavor. Even ecology is also. So most of the aspirants are usually having thorough knowledge regarding these basic fundamental areas. In addition to these, genetics, cell biology, systems and cell physiology, immunology, developmental biology are modern areas. The systems and cell physiology was incorporated with molecular biology. So therefore, preparation must be intensive. One has to concentrate on core areas in this one. So we offer coaching, we provide complete course at a reasonable price. This is an app-based coaching, therefore one can access 24 hours. Number of times can be accessed. It will be for 1 year duration. Every week, every weekend, there will be an examination on topic basis. Topic wise practice test, always followed by paper analysis. Especially when it comes to competitive exams, every option must be discussed and analyzed. Therefore, rest of the topics, for example, in a multiple choice question, usually there would be 4 options. So, knowing the relevance of rest of the 3 options is more important so that it provides you cross reference, it gives you gain of knowledge. Practice is more important even than your preparation. Whatever the amount of knowledge you gain, it must be reinforced by practice. Then only you would be able to succeed, as there is a negative marking. You can download the app from Google Play Store by typing Achyuta Academy for Life Sciences. You can visit the same in YouTube for some videos. There are some videos already uploaded. You can directly contact on phone number for the same 9494276969. Right. Already 80% of the syllabus, 80% of the course has been completed and it is presently available on the app itself. Exam is going to be conducted in the month of April or May. Therefore, right, you have to start your preparation right now. మనకి ఇప్పటికిప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ చేసి లైవ్ క్లాసెస్ రెగ్యులర్‌గా తీసుకోవడం వల్ల, లైవ్ క్లాసెస్ వల్ల కొందరు మిస్ అవుతుండొచ్చు. ఆ టైంకి వీలయ్యి అవ్వక, అన్నిటికి మించి తక్కువ టైం ఉంది గనక రైట్. మనకి కోర్స్ అంతా అవైలబుల్‌గా ఉంటే మనకనుకున్నట్టుగా ప్రిపరేషన్‌కి అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. నెగెటివ్ మార్కింగ్ ఉంది గనక కాన్సెప్ట్ మీద క్లారిటీ వచ్చేలా ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వడం ఉత్తమం. అన్నిటికి మించి ప్రాక్టీస్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. లైక్ వితౌట్ ప్రాక్టీస్ సెర్చింగ్ ఫర్ ఏ బ్లాక్ క్యాట్ బై ఏ బ్లైండ్ మ్యాన్ ఇన్ ఏ డార్క్ రూమ్. రూట్ మ్యాప్ అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్ మనకి. ఇక్కడ నోట్స్ కూడా ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తాం. థాంక్ యూ.